Girl, let me tell you about the way that I am. Words do no justice to all these feelings that I have. I changed my life, my habits, and changed my ways. I battle desires to be led astray, looking for the path that was right and was true. And now saw that path, girl, led straight to you. The world said no hope, no chance, and no change. God said humble, seek now and pray.
Whatever you need, I will supply. Whatever you seek, I don't deny. Your lies, your faults, your shame, all bow down at the sound of my
Chasing figures, making madmen stains. There's no way up, cause I'm stuck in these madmen's games. Baby's coming soon, you know I'm so afraid. She needs me strong, I can't fade away. Spout lyrical truth, and from the heart I can talk. But it don't matter one bit less I can walk the walk. Crushed or broken, choose today. Changed and shaped, it will work you like clay.
Whatever you need, I will supply. Whatever you seek, I don't deny. Your lies, your faults, your shame, all bow down at the sound of my name.
His ways of life, you've been living to die. Gangbangers, paper chasers, better open your eyes. Choose crushed, choose broken, better choose it today. He'll teach you how to move in the shimmer his name. Now I can speak the truth and I never tell a lie. Kings will tremble and shake when they hear this cry. I'm calling out from the smoke of a prophet's haze, calling you back to righteous ways and clean days.
Whatever